Welcome to this video presentation of a brand new version of WP Rocket. Without further ado, let's see what we have in store for you. Say hello to the delay of JavaScript execution 2.0 and the remove on new CSS beta feature. Are you ready to boost your PageSpeed Insights score? Let's jump right in. With WP Rocket 3.9, you can now easily delay all JavaScript files. Why? Because most of them are used for non-critical features. Take this animated block on our website for example. The script managing this isn't exactly relevant during the initial page load. If you delay this kind of script, you can achieve a much better performance. This option is in the File Optimization tab. It needs to be selected manually. When you activate the feature for the first time, all JavaScript files will be delayed by default. If this causes any issues on your website, simply add the scripts you do not want to delay to the exclusion list. Now look at the mobile score we achieved when enabling the option on our own website. Pretty impressive, right? And now to the next feature. When optimizing your website, you've probably already encountered this particular recommendation in your PageSpeed Insights report. To improve page load time, Google suggests reducing our new CSS. And guess what? Our new beta feature does just that. This feature is in the File Optimization tab. Once you've selected the Remove on New CSS option, all the unnecessary code that is just bloating your website will no longer be an issue. One thing to remember is that this is a beta feature, and we are still working on it to make it absolutely perfect for you. If you notice any glitches on your website, simply deactivate it. WP Rocket 3.9 includes a full list of enhancements that will improve both your plugin experience and your page speed score. Just check out our changelog for all the details. It's your turn now. Update WP Rocket and enjoy our stellar new features.